हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल क्लासरूम वाइब्स में। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर वेल एंड योर स्टडी इज आल्सो गोइंग वेल। सो टुडे आई एम हियर with a new practical problem number 5, in which we will learn a new concept. Let's start. Our question is: Jack and Ronnie are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. The capitals for rupees 25 lakh and 15 lakh respectively. Means capital of Jack is 25 lakh and capital of Ronnie is 15 lakh. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum. They both the partners are allowed, दोनों ही partners को जैक एंड रॉनी को 10% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. जैक इज टू बी अलाउड सैलरी ऑफ रुपीज 12,500 पर मंथ. जैक को यहाँ पर सैलरी भी दी जा रही है, दैट इज 12,500 पर मंथ. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई we will multiply it with 12 to get annual salary or salary for 12 months. And Ronnie is allowed commission of rupees 50,000. Ronnie को overall 50,000 commission भी मिल रहा है. Profit of the firm for the year ended March 31st 2025 was rupees 1,50,000. आपका profit यहाँ पर 150 है, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. And you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, और आपको profit and loss appropriation account बनाना है. So without delay, let's start the solution. So as you know, first of all we have to prepare the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, और हमने ऑलरेडी 4 प्रैक्टिकल्स प्रॉब्लम कर ली है, तो यू नो कि व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस appropriation account. Okay, so here is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So at top you have to write profit and loss appropriation account, and just below of it you have to write the date on which you are preparing profit and loss appropriation account in our question, that is for the year ending March 31st 2025, and there will be 4 columns: particulars amount, particulars amount. So let's start. As we know, first of all we have to transfer either profit or loss. So in our question we have profit of rupees 1,50,000. So we'll transfer profit of rupees 1,50,000 in profit and loss appropriation account, and that will be transferred on credit side, or we can say on right hand side, as by P&L account. In bracket you can mention net profit, and the amount of profit we have 1,50,000. We'll transfer it. Okay. Again हम क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं. We are able to see that our profit is 1,50,000 and partners capital 25 lakh of Jack and 15 lakh of Ronnie. If we combine it, then total capital of the firm will be 40 lakh. And on that 40 lakh, if we provide interest on capital 10%, that will be 4 lakh. And our profit is 1,50,000 only. And then there is other things also like salary and commission which we have to provide to partners. So this is the same question as practical problem number 4, where the profit was less than the appropriations. Okay. So here also capital is going 4 lakh, that is more than profit, and other things also here. So here also appropriations are more than available profit. But the difference is, in that question there was only single appropriation, interest on capital. But in this question we have 3 appropriations: interest on capital, commission and salary. So when you have more than one appropriation, then you have to get the ratio. उस क्वेश्चन में भी हमने रेशियो निकाला था प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादा हम एप्रोप्रिएशंस नहीं दे सकते हैं, तो हमें वहाँ भी रेशियो निकालना पड़ा था, और हमने वहाँ पर केवल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल का रेशियो निकाला था. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमारे पास जितने भी एप्रोप्रिएशंस होंगे उन सब का रेशियो निकालेंगे. ठीक है. सो वी हैव हियर अ टेबल, यू कैन सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट ऑल द एप्रोप्रिएशंस फॉर द पार्टनर्स, and then we have to make the total of them, and then we have to convert it into ratio. So first appropriation is interest on capital. So we have written interest on capital, and you can see Jack's capital is 25 lakh and Ronnie's capital is 15 lakh. If we calculate 10% of the values, then we get 2,50,000 interest on capital for Jack and 1,50,000 interest on capital for Ronnie. Then in question it is given Jack is to be allowed salary of rupees 12,500 per month. So this is for 1 month. If we multiply it with 12, we will get 1,50,000. So we have to write salary to Jack 1,50,000, and in Ronnie we'll put dash or 0. Okay. Then commission to Ronnie. So you can see 50,000 rupees as Ronnie is allowed commission. So we'll write commission to Ronnie 50,000 and we'll make total. So Jack's total of appropriations will be 4 lakh and Ronnie's total of appropriation will be 2 lakh. That means 4 lakh we have to provide to Jack and 2 lakh we have to provide to Ronnie, but we have only 1,50,000 as profit. So we cannot provide more than 1,50,000. So we'll convert it into ratio as we had done in that question also. So 4 lakh and 2 lakhs. So we'll divide it and we will get 2:1. I hope you already know how to convert the amount in ratio. Right hand side there is 2 lakh, left hand side there is 4 lakh. So divide it with the single amount that can cut it completely. So we can divide this 4 lakh and 2 lakh with 2 lakh. Okay. So 2 lakh to the 4 lakh. So 2 for Jack and 2 lakh 1 the 2 lakh. So 1 for Ronnie. Now we have ratio 2:1 in which we can provide appropriation to partners from the available profit. But we have 3 appropriations: interest on capital, salary and commission. So we cannot write all the names of appropriation in this question as we have written interest on capital on that question. तो यहाँ पर हम appropriations के नाम नहीं लिखेंगे. हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है, अब जब आपके पास more than one appropriations हो, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में आपको डायरेक्टली प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है by writing to profit transfer to, and then we'll write name of the partners. So we have Jack's, one partner is Jack, so we write Jack's capital and the other is Ronnie's capital. Then we have to calculate their share. So for calculating their share, we have available profit 1,50,000 and this profit now this time will be distributed between the Jack and Ronnie in 2:1. So Jack's share in profit will be 1,50,000 into 2/3, 1 lakh rupees, and Ronnie's share in profit will be 1,50,000 into 1/3, 50,000. So we have 1,50,000 profit, and that profit we have divided in the ratio which we calculated by doing the sum of appropriations. So we'll mention this profit in front of Jack's capital 1 lakh, in front of Ronnie's capital 50,000, and the total will be 1,50,000. And there is nothing more in this question. So the total of debit side will be 1,50,000 and the same will come on credit side also. So that's it. So this is the thing we have to do in this question. Okay. I hope आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए और हमारी वीडियोस को अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी हमारी वीडियोस का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट ले सकें. मिलते हैं हमारी अगली वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.